Alright, welcome to Chat Herb YouTube channel. Today I have a Power XL air fryer that's not working. The touch screen is not responding. What happened was last night my wife took the air fryer, flipped it upside down, and sprayed some cleaning detergent, and she tried to clean the air fryer. So after she done cleaning and plugging in the power, she realized that the touchscreen is not responding. So let me show you how to fix it. First, you want to remove the top lid, and to remove it you will need a flat screwdriver to pry it out, which I already did. Now you will need a screwdriver to unscrew these 3 screws in order to remove the touchscreen's cover. Once you remove the 3 screws, now you can use a flat screwdriver to pry out the touchscreen cover, like so. I already pry out the cover, so I'll give you a demonstration here. Now remove the cover. And disconnect the wire from the circuit board. As you can see, there's a little bit of moisture here. That is definitely the culprit. Let's check further. Now remove the circuit board from the touchscreen cover. As you can see here, there's a lot of moisture and grease on the keypads. That may prevent the touch screen to activate its sensor. There's also grease and moisture on the touchscreen itself as well. Now gently wipe off the grease and moisture with a paper towel.
You may want to use a grease remover to remove all the grease and oil deposits completely. Check for any moisture between the keypads. Now put it back and reconnect your wires. Now it's ready for tests. That's it, we did it. Success.